Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital, and in this video we'll show you a simple way how you can easily connect Figma with Microsoft Teams. So this is like an easy and short tutorial. What you want to do is just scroll down below on this video to the description and click on the link. Then you are gonna come across to this page, Make, and Make is a powerful integration platform that would allow you to connect different apps without having to write a single line of code. Make integrates with more than 1000 apps. And you get also the free accounts that you can set out by yourself. Okay, so the first step is to sign up to Make. It's easy as just filling these forms, or you can also sign up using your Google accounts, Facebook accounts, GitHub accounts. And after that, this is your dashboard. Now you want to click this Create New Scenario button right here on the top right, and here you are. Click the plus symbol and just search for the apps that you want to connect. So I'm gonna add Microsoft Teams here, and as you can see, each application usually has different kinds of modules inside of it because you can do different things with those applications, like watch Teams. We have watch messages, so you would choose which one you want here. I'm gonna go with watch messages. Then, so that is also specified down here what kind of module is. Then you need to connect it with your accounts here, and after that, click the plus icon here and just search for Figma. I'm gonna add Figma here. And let's say you want to post a comment, list comments, list projects, so you would choose which one you want here. I'm gonna go with post a comment. Then you need to connect it with your accounts here. On the bottom left, you can easily run it once and test it out. On the bottom, you can save it. You can also contact the Make customer support if you need any help from them. And that's it. So hopefully this video helped you out, and bye bye.